In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Mastercard gift card on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have enough balance on your Mastercard gift card, you will be able to use it to purchase Robux. So to do this, you can follow along through the website on a PC or laptop, as I'm demonstrating here, or if you want to do it through your smartphone, you also are able to. So open the application or visit the website and sign into the account where you will be using the Mastercard gift card. Once you are signed into your Roblox account, click on the Robux icon and then buy Robux. Now you will see the standard options. For most gift cards, you will only be able to purchase a specific amount of Robux. So, according to all the research that I've done, most people are not able to buy Roblox Premium using a gift card. Of course, if you want to try, go ahead and follow these steps, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be focusing on purchasing Robux without Premium. You are free to try both. So now, once you find yourself at this page, you will see the standard payment types. Usually, most people will go to debit card because these gift cards are meant to be used as debit cards. However, what you want to do instead is go to Other. So click on Other. Once you choose Other, now you should go ahead and select credit or debit cards. The reason why we're doing this is because if you try to go into credit or debit cards directly without going to Other, a lot of people report issues while doing it. So by going over to this option and then inputting the card number, expiration date, and security code, you will be able to complete this purchase. It might also ask you for a zip code. In this case, you can use your own zip code, and as long as there is something on this field, you should be good to go. If your specific card is not accepted and you get a message similar to this one, then sadly there's not much that you can do. Not all gift cards are going to be accepted, but you should go through this menu, and if your specific gift card works, then the purchase will go through and you will know that that specific model of card works. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Mastercard gift card on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.